Just like a fever can warn us that a person is sick before other symptoms arise, understanding thermal changes across the Earth can alert us to risks and give us the unique information we need to mitigate them.
High-resolution thermal imagery helps you see the temperature of things that emit heat, such as fire, water, vehicles and people, even in the dark. Also, if you want to persistently monitor vast, remote areas, such as the seas or forests, the most cost-efficient way to do it is from space.
This makes high-resolution satellite thermal imagery an ideal solution for mitigating large-scale threats such as pollution, floods, forest fires, and illegal fishing. These events cost billions annually and have detrimental effects on people and the environment. So here's a shock. There is no commercial service available today that can provide high-resolution satellite thermal imagery. It just doesn't exist. This is because to get recurrent worldwide coverage, you need a constellation of small satellites, and the technology for putting a high-resolution thermal imager on small satellites is challenging. Enter AISTECH Space.
We already built it, and we have it ready to launch it into space.
Our mission is to work with organizations around the world to tackle critical threats to people and the environment, and build a better, more sustainable future for the next generation.
As a climate change-focused company, we want to make a big impact as soon as our images are available, so we are tackling wildfires first. Europe loses an estimated €3 billion per year due to wildfire, which also drives up emissions and accelerates climate change. In response, AISTECH teamed up with fire experts around Europe to build a wildfire danger system that will use our own high-resolution thermal imagery to deliver a more accurate and more affordable map of wildfire risk across large areas.
This means that we can provide a differential advantage for organizations trying to anticipate and respond to wildfire danger and make a contribution to sustainability. We will use a subscription model priced by area and provide customized map layers and hotspot alerts to help organizations target at-risk areas and better position resources. We are already running a proof of concept with the Andorra Innovation Hub and the University of Lleida, and have letters of intent to collaborate on our fire danger system from government, academia, and industry partners.
We have the passion, vision, expertise, and proven track record to unlock a space-based thermal information across the planet.
AISTECH Space became the second European company and third worldwide to deploy a space-based traffic monitoring system in 2018. A year later, they became the first Spanish company to launch a constellation of small satellites and have been working with customers across sectors to leverage space data to make better decisions.
We have built a team of more than 25 top-class engineers and professionals from all around the world, established subsidiaries in UK and Luxembourg, and raised more than €12 million in funding.
I am genuinely excited to be working with this world-class team to deliver a technology that will revolutionize the way people manage critical resources across sectors.
Join us in the fight for a greener, safer future.